It's a wonderful moment.
挑戦と躍進です。
I will remember forever.
Good teamwork.
自分の視野を広げさせてくれるものです。
Exciting experience for us.
It's a connect pupil, and it's really fun.
We held KWN Global Summit 2022. 50 children from 6 countries gathered online. Kid Witness News, or KWN, is an educational support program Panasonic runs.
Now I know how to make good script.
This is very gratificated because we can make a video and we stay okay, like not nervous because we know the ambient, so it's very great.
During the summit, there was an award ceremony to announce the best of the many works from around the world.
The Earth is getting hotter, primarily Indonesia. Congratulations!
Indonesia won the Panasonic Award. Their work documents how global warming is changing lives.
Oh, jangan pelan, di pinggir dong! Deja Vu, Vietnam. Congratulations!
Wow, congratulations!
Vietnam won the KWN Fans Award in the secondary category. Their work is about a juvenile delinquent's paranormal encounter.
Wish Dad Stop Smoking, Vietnam. Congratulations!
Vietnam also won 2 awards in the primary category. The work portrays a boy who wants his dad to quit smoking.
My parents are different. Brazil. Congratulations!
And Brazil won the KWN Kids Award in the secondary category. Their story is about a boy growing up worried about his relationship with his parents.
Eu sempre senti que meus pais eram diferentes.
E como é gratificante olhar para trás.
The competition was really cool. When we won, it was so cool that we started to scream and play and hug each other. It was so good.
Part making the video. Can somebody tell us?
There was also a program for everyone to think about the SDGs.
Healthy oceans are essential to our existence, so to ensure that we are doing our part to address life below water as outlined by the SDG.
We can reduce waste and CO2 emissions. We believe that we can highlight the importance of our actions.
Don't turn off electricity in the classroom that not used to save energy.
The students announced their SDGs action plans for 2023.
We enjoyed the Global Summit very much because now I know so many points of views and perspectives about SDGs from other kids and other countries.
To enjoy Panasonic Kids Witness News Global Summit very much because I made friends from other parts of the world.
I really enjoy participating in KWN because I made many new friends and we can make interesting movie.
こういう機会で自分自身の変化とか自分の気持ちを見えるところは本当に良かったなと思いました。
KWN elevates creativity and communication skills and fosters teamwork through video production. Panasonic will continue supporting KWN activities to help children grow.
Panasonic.